Now to a 3 News exclusive. Dr. Airica Steed, the former CEO of MetroHealth, who was fired after less than 2 years on the job, is speaking out.
Steed is suing MetroHealth for unlawful termination, but tonight she is firing back and making serious allegations involving corruption and a cover-up.
It's about time for the truth to come out.
In her first interview since filing a lawsuit against MetroHealth, Dr. Airica Steed outlined her short and tumultuous tenure that ended with her firing after less than 2 years.
I've always been an ethical leader, and for me, I think it's important for the community to see, the public to see, what I was navigating through.
MetroHealth hired Steed in 2022 following the firing and salary scandal surrounding her predecessor, Dr. Akram Boutros. And she made history as the first Black woman to become CEO of the 188-year-old hospital system.
I absolutely had zero support.
However, she says she faced racial discrimination through intense scrutiny not experienced by others.
You feel that the scrutiny that you were subjected to was solely because you're a Black woman?
Absolutely, absolutely.
Why would the board intentionally hire a Black woman then?
Yeah, so I can honestly tell you that, number one, the board that hired me was completely recycled in this process.
Steed is also suing for defamation, accusing MetroHealth of smearing her reputation.
From anything from I'm abusing private jets, and I've never been on a private jet in my life. Okay.
However, the most serious of Steed's claims, accusations of corruption and a cover-up at the highest levels of MetroHealth.
Years worth of emails, years worth of the entire hard drive, for example, of our chief financial officer was just missing.
Missing documents, she says, that detailed the hospital's financial strategy that she alleges were disposed of during the investigation into the Boutros scandal.
What was even more concerning and alarming is that they were ordered to be deleted by the very team that's supposed to protect the integrity of the organization.
Who do you think gave these said orders?
The legal team is what was raised to my attention. So
and who ordered the legal team? Because they have to answer to someone.
That is exactly what I was seeking to uncover.
And Steed claims before she could find answers, she was fired. In a statement, MetroHealth responded, saying, as we have repeatedly stated, these allegations are baseless, and we will vigorously defend ourselves in court. The MetroHealth Board of Trustees felt that Dr. Steed could not take the organization in the direction needed and ended its relationship with her pursuant to the terms of her at-will employment contract. The board's focus has been and always will be on making decisions that support the delivery of high-quality care to the patients and community we serve. MetroHealth said Steed was fired for lack of confidence in her leadership and provided us with her performance evaluation that showed critical marks for her financial vision. However, Steed says despite that, she still received her bonus of more than $300,000. MetroHealth has until early March to respond to her lawsuit.